Good day, everybody. All right, a little bit earlier today I installed the Parabellum Smoke Rally windshield. Now the wind didn't bother me too much. About a month or so ago I actually did a freeway test, a freeway cruising test for the Suzuki DR650 to show that between 70 and 80 cruising on the freeway was no issue at all. I got this accessory. I live a little bit more than an hour away from the North Georgia mountains where I like to ride, and from where I live it's pretty much a straight shot up the freeway to get there. So I bought this accessory, like I said, as I'm doing a build out on this bike, as just one more of the accessories to kind of increase the comfort level of it while I'm cruising on the freeway getting to my destination. So what we'll do is I'm going to jump on the freeway and we'll go in increments. We'll see what it's like at 60, see what it's like at 70, see what it's like at 80, and then actually push it a little bit more, and then we'll see what it's like with my head in the wind and what it's like if I tuck behind that windshield. All right, here we go. So jumping on the off ramp, on ramp, Georgia 400. I'm actually going to go south. So we're at 60 right now. At 60. I'll hold at 60 while I talk to you. I definitely feel way less helmet buffeting. I can tell my helmet's not really moving at all. Whereas before, like I said, it didn't bother me, but I definitely felt buffeting. This, I've definitely got a good pocket of air, of comfort. I'm just going above 60 now. And let me merge further on. Okay, let me hold at 70. Again, 70 is great. Clearly the wind is being pushed above my head. Now obviously, with it being a rally shield, still feel wind on either side of you, but for your line of sight, for your head, this is definitely a huge improvement on comfort. And like I said, I'd gotten used to it without it. It wasn't a bother at all. Going just above 70 now, 75, same thing. Comfort is great. As soon as these cars go by me, I'll edge up to 80, hold at 80. Let's go, I can start doing it now. Same thing, 80 miles an hour. And I notice the screen is still very stable. Very little buffeting coming out of that screen, so that's great. Let me go, hold on. Every time I talk, I slow down. Let me go. Alright. Like I was saying, screen is super stable, way less buffeting on my helmet. Okay, I'm holding at 80 here, no issues at all. Definitely increased comfort. Now what I'll do is, I'm actually going to tuck into that screen as if I was pretending I was on my RC51, push the speed a little bit more. 90 miles an hour, stable. A little bit of head shake at 90, but not bad at all. Nothing that I'm uncomfortable with. Alright, take this little friend. So for a quick test to test that windshield, I'm impressed. I like it a lot. Like I said, Parabellum, small company out of Dahlonega, Georgia. Great product. If you guys have a DR650 or a DR650 and are looking for something that's not too big, that takes away from the looks of your bike too much, check them out. Install was super easy. Install really was super easy. You just got to kind of drill 4 holes into your fairing, but the mounting up was really easy and fit right in, so very easy install. Now around town, don't really notice much, can't really tell much of a difference, but definitely that quick test on the freeway made a huge difference. Alright guys and girls, appreciate you watching, hope this helped, and carry on the build of this bike.